Hi, my name is Hunter Sanders, and I am a senior at UAM this year, and I'm from Little Rock, Arkansas. I went to Bauxite High School. Um, I'm 23. Um, Fun fact about me, I used to cheer at UAM. I'm not really good at these introductions. There's really not much to me. I work at a child development center right now and work with kids that have autism, kids who are on the spectrum, to kids who just need a little extra push. I have 4 through 5 year olds, and I do typically get some older ones. My class will always be getting ready to go into kindergarten. And about 2 weeks ago, actually, my kids just graduated, and it was sad, but I was happy for them. They were ready to um, go to big kid school. Uh, why did I choose education? I started off as a nursing major, and when it came down to applying to nursing school, I applied. And before I even got a yes or a no, I decided I wanted to switch majors. I didn't even look, see if I got accepted. Um, and ever since I've been in education, I've really enjoyed it. Uh, I didn't know there were so many different aspects when it came to it, and I want to teach mid-level uh, science, social studies. I really want to be gen ed, but or what would be really cool. I've learned a lot at where I work right now, and special education now has a special place in my heart, and I like it. So I wouldn't mind furthering my education into special education. We just gotta get this bachelor's first. Um, Two truths and a lie. Uh, I have a twin. Um, I FaceTime Post Malone my birthday, and at one point I lived with 7 cats. Yeah, and that's me.